Hello dear students, I am Pratima. I welcome you all again to my channel with another competency based question from area related to circles. It is for class 10. It may be asked as case study question also. So let us proceed. It is a very interesting question. The question is about Jawaharlal Nehru Stadium. It is a multi-purpose sports stadium and a very popular sports stadium of Delhi. The stadium is a part of Jawaharlal Nehru Sports Complex in central Delhi, which also houses the headquarters of the Sports Authority of India, the field arm of the Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sports, and the Indian Olympic Association. It has a capacity to seat 60,000 people. It is the third largest multi-purpose stadium in India. In 2010, the Jawaharlal Nehru Stadium was the main stadium for 19th Commonwealth Games, a major sporting event. Jawaharlal Stadium is conducting the annual sports competition soon. Next is the curator of the stadium is tasked to figuring out the dimensions of carving out some areas allotted for a hockey court and a shooting range as shown in the figure. The shape of the hockey court and the shooting range are square and triangle respectively. The hockey court is the square, that is EDOC. And this AOB is shooting range. This triangle is the shooting range and the square is your hockey court. Inside the stadium, these two portions are given. And both have a court, have a common edge and touch at the center of the stadium. They are touching at the center of the stadium. The construction of the shooting range is also the angle to center 90 degree. The shooting range, the angle is given as 90 degree. So here there will be 5 questions. So these are the information you have read. If needed, you can read again also. So let us analyze. It is a triangular shape whose sides are 200 because the radius is 200, which is radius of the stadium is 200 meter. So AO, OB both have 200 and OD is also 200 because AD will be the diagonal of the circle. This is 90 degree. Now coming to question. First is, what is the area allotted for the shooting range? For the shooting range, what will be the area? That means it is the area of this triangle AOB. So it's very easy because AOB angle is 90 degree. So it is a right triangle whose base is equal to 200 and height is also 200. And since it is a triangle, its area will be half, multiplies base is 200, multiplies height is 200. So this will be 2 to cancel. You will get 20,000 meters square. Now where are the options? Options are 12,600, 22,200 to 20,000. So C is option. C is answer of this question. So I hope it is clear. It is a right triangle. So we can give the area by multiplying base into height or altitude. Base is your 200, height is also 200. Next question. What is the area allotted to hockey court? Hockey court is the square. hockey court is the square. I'm just magnifying it. O, C, D, E. This is a square. Here, if we look at OD is the OD is the diagonal of the square, and OD is the radius of the circle, so it is 200. You have to get the side of the square. Side of the square is very easy to calculate. If I'll take as x, then it x square plus x square is equal to 200 square, applying the Pythagoras theorem. So 2x square is equal to 40,000. So x square will be 20,000. So I have taken x. What is the area of this square? It will be side square. So x square is 20,000. So area will be 20,000 meters square. So let us see. This is not the answer. This is not the answer. B is not in the C is answer. So if you want to find the side of the square, how much it will be? X will be square root of 20,000. That will be how much? It will be root 2 into your 100. Or it is 100 root 2. Side of the square is 100 root 2. So OC is equal to 100 root 2. This is mentioned here. So next, the team of the curators managing the stadium likes to allot space for some more sports. How much area available to them? That means except these two portions, this shooting range and the hockey field, how much area is left here? You have to find this one. So this is nothing but your area of circle. Then you will subtract from it area of hockey shooting range and hockey court. The court plus area of shooting range. How much area will be left for other sports? So it will be area of the circle minus area of these two fields. So area of the hockey court we have already counted, 20,000 meters square, and area of shooting range is also 20,000 meters square. Now area of circle will be this stadium. Circle means there is stadium. It will be pi into 200 square. It will be pi multiplies 200 square minus your 20,000 plus 20,000. By mistake I have written it will be 20,000, it will be 200 square because radius was 200. So 200 square. So it will be 40,000 pi minus 40,000. So I can take 40,000 common. To be pi will be left. Pi is how much? Pi is 3.14 minus 1. If we take 40,000 common, pi will be left minus 1 will be left. 40,000 common, pi minus 1. Pi is 3.14, we know. So 40,000 multiplies 2.14. will multiply, it will be 4 times 6, 16, 5, then 4 2s are 8. And how many zeros? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And I'll leave 2 places. So it will be 85600 meters square. So let us see the options. Here A is the answer. Next, if the boundaries of the hockey court and shooting range are to be fenced, then what is the required length of the fence? Fence means it is the perimeter. So perimeter of the triangle plus perimeter of the square. So for perimeter of the triangle, this is 200, 90 degree, 200. We want your AB. AOB 200 plus 200, I need AB. AB is nothing but I will apply the Pythagoras theorem. So it will be 200 square plus 200 square under root, because this is the hypotenuse. So it will be 40,000 square root, it will be 200 root 2. Or if you can remember, the hypotenuse will be side into root 2 when these two are equal. So what is perimeter? It will be perimeter of the shooting range is perimeter is equal to perimeter of shooting range is equal to 200 plus 200 plus 200 root 2. Or this will be 400 root 2. 400 root 2. 400 plus 200 root 2 meter. Now coming to square. Square, there we have already found the side. 100 root 2 we have calculated in the first thing. So now perimeter means 4 sides. So 100 root 2, 100 root 2, 100 root 2, or 4 into 100 root 2. It will be perimeter of square is equal to 100 root 2 into 4. That will be 400 root 2. So now take the sum. So total boundary will be 400 plus 200 root 2 plus 400 root 2. So how much you are getting? You are getting 400 plus this 2 will be added. It will be 600 root 2. Now what we can take common? I can take common 200. So what will be left here? It will be left 2. And what much will be left here? 3, because 3 times of 200 is 600, 3 root 2. So 200 multiplies 2 plus 3 root 2. Now check the answer. Is A is the answer? No. Is this answer? Yes. So B is answer. Next is, what is the cost of fencing 6 per meter? What is the total cost of fencing? So what was the perimeter? Perimeter is equal to 200 plus 2, 200 multiplies 2 plus 3 root 2. Now for 1 meter he is asking 6. So it will be 6 will be multiplied. So what will the answer? It will be just 1200 into 2 plus 3 root 2, and this is rupees. So we will check C is the answer. So thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing my channel. Thank you for liking the video. Again, we'll meet in another video.